This is a thunderstorm in Florida. So just walked. There's lightning and stuff. Looks like a blizzard or something. It really hurts when I hold this up so high. We're at someone else's house in Florida, and this is my first video in Florida. And we have a pool that I was swimming in until the thunderstorm started. And there's a lizard right there. Right there beside my feet.
Don't start when you can't finish.
There. Okay, there. That's crazy. Just hold it up straight to the glass. I think I just saw lightning, guys. Either that or it's just me blinking. I think it might flood. I can't really see, but there's water almost above all of those rocks. So sit here and let's wait. This is literally like a severe thunderstorm. I don't know what is happening. I can't believe that lizard doesn't even care. It's raining now.
Kate told him he wouldn't see no lizards. Huh?
He said that to who?
He said, they fucking gassy ones. They're all over Florida or whatever. He said, but they're not going to be at the beach. He said, what you want? You're not going to see any lizards? I said, I guarantee you, you're going to see a lizard.
Oh, by the way, it's just my dad talking. Okay, yeah, by the way, it's just my dad and mom.